So here's a question. I've got only one example for you. For those who want online classes on WhatsApp, you can inbox me. It's just 100 kwacha for all the 4 subjects: mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology per month. All right, let's get back to the question. This is a question which I have for you. So there's a diagram here having 12 volts, you can see. Then there's an ammeter here. Then there's this resistor, 3 ohms. The other resistor, 6 ohms. And this one has got 3 ohms. These two are in parallel. Well, this one is in series with this one and this one. Then there's a switch there. Question 1 says, calculate effective resistance in the circuit. In the what? Circuit. How can we calculate effective resistance in this circuit? First, what you need to know that a resistance, okay, will be equal to this resistor here, 3 ohms, plus the total of this one. Now, these two are in parallel. We don't add them direct, but we do a simple multiplication. Since there are only 2 resistors, we're going to say 3 times 6 over 3 plus 6. So this will be the same as 3 ohms plus 3 times 6 is what? 18 over 9. This will be 3 ohms plus what? 2, because 9 into 8 is 2. And this will give us 5 what? Ohms as the effective resistance. So 5 ohms is the effective what? Resistance. So question 2 says, after calculate current in the circuit. Current in the circuit. How can you calculate current in the circuit? Now, to find current, we are going to use Ohm's law equation. It says current is equal to voltage over what? Resistance. Now, do we have a voltage? Yes. Voltage is 12 there, and resistance is this one there. So voltage is 12 volts, while resistance is 5 what? Ohms. So just dividing there. So current in this case is equal to 2.4 amperes. Question 3, calculate voltage in the 6 ohm resistor. You've been told to calculate the voltage in the 6 ohm resistor. No, let me change my note forms. Let me put in the it's okay. Not voltage, but let me put current. Current in the 6 ohm resistor. So how can you find current in the 6 ohm resistor? Take note, the 6 ohm resistor is in parallel. So by virtue, current in parallel is not the same. It's different. But voltage in parallel is the same. It flows equally. Now, how can we find current in this? Now, for us to find current in this one, we first have to find the total effective resistance here, which gave us what? 2. If you remember, this here gave us 2. So we are going to have something like this. We are going to have the other 6 resistor, okay, which is connected to the other 3 here. When you find them, the total is effective resistance here, you remember it's 2 ohms. Fine. Therefore, this 2 ohms becomes in series with the other 3 which has remained. Okay, it becomes in series with this other one. Once you find the total resistance in this, it becomes in series with this one. Therefore, if it comes in series in this one, what will be current? Remember, we know that current is equal to voltage over what? Resistance. Therefore, remember, voltage in parallel is the same. So here there is what? There is there's like this. So there we have the voltage around here is the same one, which is 12. Okay, so it's 12 over the resistance is 6. This will give us 2 amperes of current flowing where in the 6 ohm resistor. Just simple as that. Then they can also ask you to calculate charge in the in the circuit in 2 minutes. Okay, calculate charge in 2 minutes. Now in talk of charge is equal to current times time, and this time must be in seconds. Now remember our time has been given in minutes, so 2 minutes is equal to 120 seconds. So therefore charge is equal to total current is what? It's 2.4. So 2.4 amperes times time is 120. So get a calculator. So 2.4 times 120. And that will give you 288 coulombs. This was a revision simple question. I'll see you in the next video.